morning. Hey, princess.
Hey, bro.
It's morning time. Early. Yeah. Time to wake up. How was your night? How was your night?
It was fine.
How's your tummy now? How's your tummy?
It feels better.
Yeah, well,
Thanks.
So what do you want to have for breakfast?
Anything without sugar. So my stomach will not pain me again.
No.
I say it looks funny.
I'm wearing Sunile overall.
What time did you wake up?
Few minutes ago.
Wow, it's beautiful outside.
This is a sight to behold.
Hi everyone, good morning. Yep.
Ṣé dáadáa ló jí?
Dáadáa ni mo jí. A dúpẹ́. Babe, do you not feel me?
Video me, I video you back.
We're going for breakfast.
Yep. So
This is what?
Day two. So this is day 2 of our mini summer vacation. So basically we're just going for breakfast this morning.
Breakfast. I hope we would actually have the breakfast, but it's like we stayed in our room for too long.
Yeah.
All thanks
She cursed it. She has been applying this makeup since morning.
I wasn't applying any makeup.
See why she's talking about. You see she's guilty as charged.
Yeah, I'm not guilty.
You're guilty. She has been applying this makeup. Women, why do you people take long? I just entered the bedroom. Have my baby. Just come outside, dress up, over.
Who cares? Anyway, guys, so we're going for breakfast now. We'll see you guys when we get there.
When we get there and when we get back.
And when we get back, okay.
Okay, bye guys.
So we need to put on the glove before going to get food. That's what we're doing. Oh, there's meat. Okay. How about this one? Take this one.
I don't know, you pick any one.
You want to take the milk as well? Maybe you want to take
So we come back for you. Turn over.
What's this? What's brown potatoes? Okay, try going to keep yours. The bowl is quite filled up.
I hope you finish it. Fish dressing. Copy. You can see me, so I didn't copy somewhere. I know I overpicked for one. Yogurt.
What do you think?
Yeah. You want to clean it and leave it.
Orange juice.
Are you sure?
We can't take off these marks.
Don't worry, we'll try and use a loud voice.
Yeah, so anyway guys, we are out today.
Yep.
So we decided to, oh wow, look at the view at the back. We decided to show you guys what it's like outside. Okay. So we decided to show you guys what it's like outside the hotel and resort, right?
Yeah.
Where we stayed. So we decided to take a walk outside, go to like there's a small mall, and then give you guys the view of what's like outside. So yeah, that's it. Today is not so sunny anyway.
Yeah, not
Cloudy
like
today,
yesterday.
not like yesterday. Very sunny. So yeah, let's take a walk down there. I love you.
I love you. Of recent, guys, she has started dancing unnecessarily for no reason. I don't know why she's dancing. She thinks the camera is still on her. I've removed the camera from her.
You're not putting the camera on me.
Jesus.
It's like on a usual day or normal day before the whole corona thing. Everyone's just going to be filled up with people, but now you can actually walk without bumping into anyone because everywhere is so free. So finally found somewhere to eat. We're going there now to eat. I guess you guys have not seen our face. So one thing a lot of foreigners have said about Japan is how they display their food menu. Like most of their food menu is displayed like the real food you eat in the restaurants, but they are not real food. They are made of, I don't know, a lot of people say it's plastic. I've seen some videos about how these things are made, but they are not real food, so they just display it there. And I think it's really nice. What do you guys think? These things are not real. Made our order, just waiting for it to come. And this is Daodu. I need to see your neck like that. Thank you. Clean our hands with this one. Stick holder, I told you. So like I can't free the phone without the holder. I'm just going to hold it now to record. I call it YouTuber.
I'm going to try this. I'm burping myself.
Does it taste like?
Recommend this ginger with red vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Together, yeah, we
Together.
And the hot soup they take care.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Babe.
There's a man on how we eat.
Babe. This one is just hungry, guys. Look at this hair, guys. That's soup. Chopsticks. How does it taste? Cool. Oh my god, going out to eat. Hi guys, so today's our last day here. I'm so sad. We just had breakfast and I just came out here to relax and be taken care of. I just came out here to relax. Yeah guys, I love the view. So yeah, basically that's it. And so babe, what do you think about this place? What do you think, baby?
Yeah, I think it's okay. Very cool. Beautiful.
Oh, I want to stay.
No, you can't.
Yeah, so we've had fun, really, like surprise vacation Boo gave us.
And he's signing out. We're leaving already.
Yeah.
Our luggages. So sad. I'm going to miss this beautiful view.
Show us in the mirror. This is my flower in the nylon.
I'm going to miss this beautiful view. Trust me.
Where?
I'm going to miss this beautiful, beautiful view.
Yeah. You forgot something. Okay, let's go.